Hey guys, it's me Kanak once again back with all of you. Today let's prepare hot chili garlic Maggi, which is something I've loved my entire life because of that burnt garlic and the red chili flavor. So let's begin. So first up here I've kept enough water for boiling in a big container. To this I'm going to add in 2 packets of Maggi. So let the water come to a good boil, then I'm going to add these 2 packets of Maggi. So this is the very regular Maggi which is available to anyone. In case you don't want to use this, you can also use any other noodles or even Hakka noodles here. Let it boil just for 2 minutes because this Maggi tends to become very soggy if it is overdone or if it is overcooked. So it's been almost 2 minutes. I'm going to switch off the flame and strain this to a colander and pour some cold water over it to stop the carryover cooking. And in case if you're planning to use this Maggi later, you can drizzle some oil on top and keep it aside in the fridge. Next up in a pan, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, lots of garlic actually, a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, some green chilies, give everything a good toss, and then goes in my another favorite ingredient, that is red chili flakes. So I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. Cook that as well so that it will give that burnt flavor of garlic as well as chili. Followed by some spring onion. So if you want, you can use the spring onion whites, or if you want, you can also use the combination of both. Cook it for about 2 more minutes. And then I'm adding some veggies, that is little capsicum and carrot. That's it guys, I'm using only these 2 veggies, but if you want you can add some beans, some cabbage, some chicken, some mushroom if you wish to. Season it with some salt and stir fry it just for a minute so that they remain crunchy. So without overcooking it, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, that is the regular ketchup, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce. You can also use the red chili paste if you have. Then goes in a tablespoon of soya sauce. Yes, a tablespoon because I'm adding more of soya sauce. Cook everything really well for about a minute and then I'm going to sprinkle some water and let it sizzle. That's called the flavorful sizzle of all the masalas and the base and the sauces with some water. At this stage, I'm going to add in 2 sachets of the Maggi TasteMaker. Mix, mix, mix. And that's it guys, your base is ready. To this, add in the boiled Maggi along with some spring onion greens. And that's it guys, toss it for the one more last time until all the Maggi is nicely coated with the saucy and delicious base. Let me show you from close. That's very delicious. Hot chili garlic Maggi is ready. Do not overcook it and serve it hot with some more spring onion greens on top if you wish to. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this pretty simple recipe of Maggi, and it will also save you a lot of time. If you enjoyed watching, then please consider liking the video and let me know your thoughts on this. I'll see you soon in the next coming video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.